What's poppin', you guys? It's your girl, the Sass, and I'm back here with another video like I always promise. Before I get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I want to start off by wishing all my viewers a happy Valentine's Day in advance, of course, as well as a happy Black Love Day. I hope your boo is doing something very special for you, and of course vice versa. And if you're single, no worries, just love on yourself a little bit more this weekend. Buy yourself some roses, run a hot bath with some bath salt, anything that makes yourself feel good, okay? This is 2021, okay? We are no longer waiting on anybody to treat us how we are supposed to be treated. We doing that ourselves, okay? Because if you wait on somebody to treat you how you're supposed to be treated, trust me, honey, you're gonna be waiting forever. Don't do that. Anywho, as you see from today's title, you see that today's video is another unboxing, my favorite. Y'all know I love me some unboxing videos, like you know this. Y'all should know this about me by now. I've actually purchased from Iamjenniferle multiple times before, but this is actually my first time ordering a pair of shoes with the box, okay? Look how I have to show you guys again. Look how beautiful she is. This is a moment. This is a moment for me. This, like, it's a moment right here, okay? It's a moment. So prior to these pair of shoes, I've ordered shoes before from Iamjenniferle that were on the sale section. And for those who don't know, Iamjenniferle sale shoes do not come with the box. Do you hear me? Read the fine print before you purchase, because if you're expecting a box with the sale shoes, you're not gonna get it. This actually happened to poor me, okay? This actually happened to me, okay? I bought 2 pairs of shoes from Iamjenniferle in the sale section, not reading the fine print. When they came, I was so excited. I couldn't wait to take selfies. I was like wanting out. I'm like, yo, stunting on them. And bam, no damn boxes with my damn shoes. I opened it up and I'm like, where the hell is my Iamjenniferle boxes? Where are they? They only came with the dust bag. So make sure when you're going online, you're in that sales section, you're reading the fine print, because you actually have to pick it, okay? And I actually picked it because I thought it was like some, you know, terms and conditions and something like that. And I'm like, okay, yeah, we don't really read all that, you know what I mean? We just want to hurry up and get to where we need to get to. So that was my big mistake. Ordered me some shoes, did not receive the box, and I was so disappointed. I actually went back on the site because I was like, okay, no, y'all playing me here. And it says right there, does not come with the box. Bam, heartbroken. That's why it's important when you're ordering stuff, you read the fine print, because if I had known that those pair of shoes that I bought did not come with the box, I wouldn't have purchased them. I would have saved a bit more money for shoes that come with the box. So like I said again, this is my first pair of Iamjenniferle shoes that come with the box. Like when I buy items, I believe like half my money goes towards presentations and then the other half goes towards the actual product. Girl, I don't mind that at all. Like, I'm all for presentations. If you own a business and you're selling product, presentation matters, at least to me as a customer, okay? All right, let's do this. So this is the box that it comes in right here. Y'all see? As you can see, it has Iamjenniferle, Iamjenniferle written on it, so y'all know it's real. Like, this ain't no bootleg. This is it right here. All right, let's open this up. Yes sir, yes sir, here it is. Yes sir. As you can see, it comes with the envelope right here. Okay, there you have it, right there again. Thank you for adding one of my designs to your personal wardrobe. I truly appreciate your support. I hope you love your Iamjenniferle piece as much as I enjoy designing them. Iamjenniferle, girl, we love you. We love you. Toronto's very own, honey. Canada's very own. We're gonna put that back. And as you can see, here's the tissue paper that it comes with. You see it has Iamjenniferle in gold, black tissue, gold writing. Woo, child. All right, here's the dust bag that it comes with. So, woo, 2 dust bags. Comes with 2 of them, you know, just in case you want to travel somewhere, you You have your shoes well protected, honey. That's what I love. All right, y'all ready for this? Oh, bam, bam. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is the next pair. Oh, God. So, I got the Money Motif, or Motif, I think it's called. The Money Motif in white. These shoes also come in black, gold, nude, a lime color, and fuchsia. As you can see, it has the heel. The heel is the dollar sign. This is why I got it, because, you know, we get money over her. All right? Look at Cinderella shoes, you know. Money girl Cinderella shoes. If you look closely, it has the 2 holes here. So your shoes can breathe. Because I noticed shoes that have like, that are clear like this, it actually fogs up. I actually have a pair of shoes from, I want to say Fashion Nova or one of those online stores, and it doesn't come with the 2 holes. Okay, and I remember wearing that shoes to a concert, and my feet were like my whole feet were sweating. It was like the whole shoes was fogging up. It was embarrassing. Like I had to actually like zip down the boots that were clear. So I'm actually happy that she has these 2 holes, because that prevents from you know, any fogging of your shoes when you're sweating or something, you know. So I'm actually happy, appreciative of that. So the reason why I chose the color white is because I actually don't have an all white pair of shoes, and I wanted something that matches with a lot of stuff that I wear. Okay, like I would have got this in black, but I have a lot of all black shoes, so I went with white. Should we try these on? Do you want me to try these on? Let's see if we can walk in it. Let me see. See? Iamjenniferle right there. Real shit. See, if you see closely, there's Iamjenniferle written right there. Can y'all see? In the shoe. No, y'all could tell. But it has Iamjenniferle written here. Like, this is the real shit. Ain't no bootleg. Don't wash my crusty feet, y'all. So these are how it fits. Woo! Honey. I can't wait to wear them. This is how they look. Alright, so I got a size 39. I'm a size 8 in closed toe heels. In open toes heels, I'm a 7.5. Usually a size 8 is, I thought 38, but it's not. In Iamjenniferle, a size 8 is 39, okay? So these are the shoes. Don't wash my dry legs, guys. Alright, these are the shoes. They feel wonderful. I feel powerful. I feel like I need to put on like a suit, button up. I want to go to dinner now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so these are the shoes, guys. Woo. They feel wonderful. All right. I will do a review and let you know how these shoes, or how I survived these heels. Yes, 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 yes. I can't get enough. Whew. I should have got these in every color. Yes, yes, honey. Sorry guys, I'm feeling myself right now. Like, I'm feeling myself. Now I need to buy me a new outfit. I probably have an outfit to match these, but I need another one. Yes. Thank you, Jennifer. You're doing good, girl. All right, so these are it, guys. These are it. All right, you guys, that is it. Please make sure you comment down below if you want to see how I style these shoes. Y'all know I'm a fashionista, okay? I put things together. I know how to dress. And I say that with confidence, okay? And look how beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful they are. They are so beautiful. I deserve these shoes. I deserve each color. Thank you, God, for Jenniferle. Oh my God, these shoes. Yeah, I be wilding out sometimes. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I always do unboxing. Unboxing is my favorite thing to do. And yes, honey. Ooh, I could get like just to be on the like. I actually waited a long time to get these shoes. Like, I deserve this. Like, I deserve these shoes. I deserve every color. Why not? Right? Like I said before, guys, this is the Sass Explorer back with another video for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your support. Oh, did you guys see my new backdrop? It's so nice. I know I ordered it. Honey, I got a lot of different backdrops, okay? It's so beautiful. Oh, hold on. Let me just let's take a picture. Yes, child. Yes. We does this for a living. We does this. Who doesn't do this? I do this. Why wouldn't you do this? If you can't do it, you better teach yourself to do this. Ooh, I'm gonna take a couple pictures for you guys, okay? I'm gonna take a couple pictures for you guys. Don't forget to even follow me on Instagram, okay? Princessa Lifestyle, all right? Where you will see a lot more pictures like this. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.